welcome to Agape Flights Pie in the Sky event. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's Super Pie. And we're glad that you've joined us here today. You know, Agape Flights has the privilege of serving some of the greatest superheroes on the planet. And there are missionaries, there are missionary affiliates, mission partners. And so we're going to give you the privilege of getting to see them and getting to know them. And our friend Greg Hammond, who's a captain on the Embraer, he's our director of flight operations, he's going to take you on this journey. Greg, show them the superheroes.
Absolutely. I'm so excited for you guys to get to come along with us today on this trip. So why don't you come along, and like Alan said, we're going to see some of the people that I have the privilege to serve every week. They really are superheroes serving the Lord throughout the Caribbean. See you guys down there.
Mi poder es enseñar y así tener super estudiantes.
Mi poder es cocinar para tener superhéroes nutridos.
Hi, we're the Berman family. You're missionaries here in the Dominican Republic with Project Pinata. And our superpower is investing in people.
Loving others like Jesus. Growing the kingdom.
Serving another.
What a privilege I have today to talk a little bit about my best friend, Joseph Benson. He's a man that God has chosen to work with RMI. He's gifted, he's talented. In every situation, he always has something from the Lord and wisdom to share with the staff, and we are very proud of him. And this is why also we want to make sure that everyone knows him as a superhero, helping Agape to continue to do his work in his ministry in Haiti.
Pagans is a really sweet guy that I like working with. I remember several months after the earthquake hit, where we have a lot of problems in the turmoil of the country. But each time I am facing those daily challenges and I have Pagans by my side, I feel very encouraged. He's a good encouragement for me. He motivates me how to move forward. Man, I love working with him, and he's a great superhero.
Pastor Elda. And Elda, we already know who your superhero is.
Jesus!
Amen.
I'm Carpenter, Bible Mission.
My name is Jackson Ocean. I am in a medical team in Haiti Bible Mission.
Wow. Dr. Jackson, thank you for all that you do, and it's been a privilege to work with you.
Thank you.
Sir, who is your superhero?
Dr. Jackson.
And Dr. Jackson, do you have a superhero?
Yes,
Who,
I have.
Who would that be?
Jesus is my superhero.
Okay, he's your ultimate superhero.
Yes, he's my only one.
Who's your superhero?
My superhero is my dad.
And why is he your superhero?
Because he gives the best hugs.
He gives the best hugs, and he is a really good minister of the gospel, isn't he?
Yes.
Yeah. And Carter, who is your superhero?
My mom.
Your mom? What's your mom do for you?
She helps me and she helps me when I get hurt, and she's really nice.
She's really nice. Well, who is the ultimate superhero? Who would we say that is?